All right, great job on reaching challenge 6. We're almost halfway. Now, currently, even though our website works, when we navigate to the URL, say /about or /contact, but when you click on any of these links in the nav bar, all they do is take us back to the home page. They're not yet linked up to the correct pages. In order to complete this challenge, update the code so that when we click on these links in the nav bar, they actually take us to the correct pages. So when I click on About, it should go to the About page, and Contact goes to the Contact page. And a large part of this challenge is figuring out where to change this code. So pause the video now and try and complete this challenge. All right, so the hint for this challenge is, if we think about our nav bar, we've got some links up here, and we want those links to go to the correct paths, /about or /contact. Now, this nav bar comes from our header file. So that means the file that we need to edit in order to change this is our header.ejs. I hope that's more than enough of a hint for you to be able to complete this challenge and get our nav bar working. So pause the video now and try and give that challenge another go.